Hello, in this video, I'll show you how you can import slides into your Google Slides. First of all, go to Google and search for Google Slides. Then click on the Google Slides page. Sign in, and then you will be in your account. Then click on this blank presentation. So here you can see we have a new presentation. So I would recommend, instead of converting your PPTX into a Google slide, I recommend you open a new Google Slides presentation, then click on File, and then click on Import Slide. Then select Upload, and here click on the Browse button. And here you can see your presentation, wherever it is located. So we have multiple presentations here. If we are going to go ahead and select this specific one, just go ahead and click on it, and then it will take just a few seconds for the system to process your request and load everything up for you. Here we go. The presentation will be uploaded here. And don't forget to check this All Slides box here. Just a second. So select All Slides and keep Original Theme. So it will also keep the original theme of your PowerPoint and import the slides that way. Just delete the first one, and here we go. We have all the slides in our Google Slides. So this is a simple method to import your slides from PowerPoint to Google Slides. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.